Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be on here today. And anybody who catches this live, catches it later, my name's Megan Marsh, and I am one of the owners of Collab Lending, which is a mortgage brokerage. And for years, our company has been helping, and we continue to help home buyers and owners who save just a lot of money with lower rates, lower fees as a mortgage broker. And we help them get into homes, refinance their homes. And it's one of the reasons that we've always loved being a mortgage broker. But today we wanted to share some exciting news, especially with loan officers and real estate professionals, real estate brokers, team leaders, because I know that there's a lot of you out there who have always wondered, is the grass greener on the mortgage broker side? Like, what is even the difference? There's so many misconceptions and rumors that go around about, what it takes to become a mortgage broker, what it's like, what the benefits are. So we wanted to share some exciting news. And because I even wondered for years, like, why wouldn't every loan officer want to be a mortgage broker? I've been a mortgage broker for close to 18 years. I did spend 1 year in retail, but quickly hightailed it back to the broker world. And it really pointed out to me why so many loan officers, even in the industry, don't make the switch at some point, even if they're frustrated, and why maybe they'll go from one single bank to another single bank, if that's retail, if it's, a bank in their hometown. And it's because nobody really knows where to start. They don't know how to start a brokerage, and they're unsure of what to do first. And we talk to people who have owned brokerages before 2008 who they're unsure about starting a brokerage now. And so, I think the sentiment that we realized when people would come talk to us is, people feel like they're driving blind. They feel like they're guessing, that they'll waste money, they'll not pick the right stuff. And so my business partner and I and our leadership team, we took the last about a year and we created Mortgage Broker Fast Track. And we created it for loan officers, for real estate professionals who are looking to really understand and see what that mortgage broker side is like. And I always say, if you want to make more money, if you want to grow your business the way you want to do it, and just really have a business and a life that matches what you want, that's where the mortgage broker side really comes in. And so the course that we built is for loan officers, for real estate professionals. It's for them to open their independent mortgage companies. And it teaches any of you who are interested and just want to find out information, how to get the licensing from the beginning, who to hire, how to build a team, how to build the systems, the technology to use, how to market like a boss, so that you always have business coming in. Now, I did want to mention that we have a podcast. It's called the Collab Podcast. You can check it out on any podcast platform. We talk about a lot of the things in our brokerage. I will put a link below this video. If you don't have a podcast platform, you can go to the website, thecollablife.com, and there is a section on there for the podcast. But I think the biggest thing that we wanted to just share today, because we'll be going live every Wednesday at noon. We know that business gets crazy, life gets crazy. I think, especially over the last few years, real estate agents, mortgage professionals, like, we've just been working like crazy, working 50, 60 hours, burning the midnight oil, and it's exhausting. And you just get really overwhelmed, and it's hard to look into other things. And so we get it. I get it. We've all been there. And so that was why we built this Mortgage Broker Fast Track course. And there is still another extension to it we'll be sharing in the coming weeks for people that want ongoing help and not just a course. But we're really confident that these 6 parts to the course that have over 45 lessons in them, with all the checklists that we use, all the resources, the guides, the templates, we know it's going to help people get incredible results. And so it just is going to help keep that overwhelm at bay and really not be able to find a concrete answer anywhere. if you Google it, if you're on Facebook, like, yeah, somebody will talk to you for 10, 15, even maybe an hour, but actually having it outlined is where we're excited to help other people, because we feel that passionately about helping customers be able to use a broker who can shop for the best option for them. We feel really strongly about helping real estate professionals be able to add another piece of revenue to their business. And maybe there's some of you that, okay, of course, whatever, like you're still wondering things. I know that there's loan officers out there that possibly they're thinking like, I'm still really new. I'm too much of a newbie to even consider like getting a course to help me become a mortgage broker. Like, I don't close enough loans. I can't do compliance, or I've heard I don't like to do paperwork, right? There's so many reasons I've heard. So what we decided to do was, for the next number of weeks, possibly even the next few months, we are going to be doing a free mortgage broker training here on live. We're going to be doing 15 to 20 minute just webinars with, if you have some questions, you can ask them. We're going to be going over things like picking new products, for example. I'm sorry, here. We're going to be doing, how hard is it to become a mortgage broker? How much does it cost to become a mortgage broker? How long does it take to become a mortgage broker? What does compliance look like? What does hiring look like? I got sent this morning an infographic that a retail lender was sending out to all their loan officers. It blew my mind. And it was this checklist that, I can even hold it up. I don't know if it's going to show it here, saying retail versus broker. And that's what I want to eliminate. Is I think retail's great for some people. That is, the best way for them. They like having one way, but I don't like having information that's not correct. So making sure that any loan officers understand out there that as a broker, you can have health insurance, you can have a 401k plan. And just, I like people to kind of imagine, like, what would it be like if you don't just have the products that are there? Like, you get to pick what you can offer to clients. So if you want to grow your business by offering a new product, you get to choose to do that. You get to pick whatever lender you want to work with. Sometimes it's because they have the best rate. Sometimes it's because they're the fastest. And one of my favorite things is mortgage brokers are in their local markets, making a difference, hiring people that are there, not 10 states away. And so we're going to go over all these things in these lives each Wednesday at noon. And we're just going to give you that high level overview. So if you like this topic, if you're a loan officer or a real estate agent who's always, just wanted to understand more about what it is to become a mortgage broker, then make sure you like this page. And we are going to be doing, on the last day of the month, August 31st, that Wednesday, we're going to be hosting a free webinar. It'll be an hour long. It's going to really go behind the scenes. So if that's something that you absolutely want to attend already, you don't need to see other Facebooks about this. I will post the link to be able to sign up to that webinar, which is, and it will talk about what's in the course, talk about more of the details. You can go to the website, thecollablife.com/sneak peek. So I'll say it one more time. It's thecollablife.com/sneak peek. And we will be hosting on August 31st a webinar for loan officers and real estate brokers who just want to understand a little bit more about being a mortgage broker and want to understand what this course is, what it entails, how it can help you, and just really get the facts straight. So once again, I am Megan Marsh from Collab Lending, and I'm just excited if you joined us here today for this quick message. We'll be back next week, and we're going to start by talking about how hard it is to start a mortgage brokerage, or what it's like to be a mortgage broker. So join us next week at noon on Wednesday for our first live. Or go to the website in the links and sign up for our webinar. And we can't wait to see you there next week, guys. All right. Thanks a lot.